Well, you're magic, he said, but don't let it all go to your head, 'cause I bet if you all had it all figured out, then you'd never get out of bed. Well, no doubt, of all the things that I've read, what he wrote me is now sounding like the man I was hoping to be. I keep keeping it real, 'cause it keeps getting easier, he'll see. He's the reason that I'm laughing, even if there's no one else. You see that you've got to love yourself. You shouldn't mumble when you speak, but keep your tongue up in your cheek. And if you stumble onto something, better remember that it's humble that you seek. You got all the skill you need, individuality. You got something, to call it gumption, to call it anything you want. Because when you play the fool now, you're only fooling everyone else. You're learning to love yourself. Yes, you are. Yes, you There's no price to pay, no. When you give and what you take, that's why it's easy to thank you. Take a break from our day and getting back to the old garage, because life's too short anyway, but at least it's better than average. As long as you got me and I got you, you know we got a lot to go around. I'll be your friend, your other brother, another love to come and comfort you. And I'll keep reminding, if it's the only thing I ever do,